Okay, let's go through the homework solutions from Thursday. So we can see here in question 1, we were shown these different translations and they just wanted us to describe them in words. So for example, the translation AB goes 4 units this way and 3 units this way. So we said 4 units right and 3 units up. And you can see the arrow here tells us that we're going from A to B. From C to D then, we can see that we went 3 units right. It doesn't matter if you go up and down first or left and right first, but the way this is set up, we need to say which way we went back and forth. So 3 units right, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units down. Not up, this one's going down. E to F, then it's going backwards. Okay, I have to go from E to F, and I have to go down as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units left. I often call that backwards rather than left, just because of how we tend to read from left to right. And 2 units down. Excuse me. And then G to H is just going down, so it's no units left or right. But we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units down. And that's how we can describe translations, and being able to do that helps us actually to perform them. So let's go on to the other questions that you had. Identify in each diagram the image of the object under the translation AB. So this is my object. This is my object, and I'm going from A to B. So I need to go 2 boxes over and 1 box up. 2 boxes over and 1 box up. So the answer here was R was my image. So here's my object. Here's my translation. I'm going from A to B. I'm going 3 boxes over and 4 boxes down. So if I pick any point, say the dog's, I want one that's on a point, the dog's forehead here. 3 boxes over and 4 boxes down. There is my image, and I kind of wrote over it, but it was image 1. So image 1 was my answer here. For this one, this is a bit harder because I don't have boxes. So I have to copy the distance and the direction. So if I measure this, I measure the distance from here to here. They didn't even give us a nice neat number here. It is 2.8 centimeters. And so if I look at my object, and I'm looking for 2.8 centimeters. So I'm going to go from here to here. And we can see that these are parallel lines. So to go from here to here, triangle C is my image. This one, A to B, it's going 1 box down and 3 boxes backwards. So if I look at my object and I pick any point, 1 box down and 3 boxes over, you can see that triangle A. Triangle A was my image under that translation. Okay, so you can pause that and take your time to go over it if you didn't understand it on the first run through. For each of these diagrams, draw the image under the translation. So I'm just going to sketch this quite quickly rather than using a ruler, but you should use a ruler if you're doing it in an exam situation. Here's my object and I want to move it 2 boxes down and 1 box over. So P is going to move 2 boxes down and 1 box over. Q is going to move 2 boxes down and 1 box over. S, 2 boxes down and 1 box over. R, 2 boxes down and 1 box over. And there is my image. It's actually stuck onto it. That's what the image looks like. Next one here. here's the object, and again, I need to go 2 boxes down and 1 box over. So for C, 2 boxes down, 1 box over. A, 2 boxes down, 1 box over. And B, 2 boxes down, 1 box over. And that is B prime. So objects and images can overlap like this. That's what the image looks like. And for F, we have a different translation here, A to B, 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes over and 2 boxes up. So P, 4 boxes over, 2 boxes up. Q, 4 boxes over, 2 boxes up. T, 4 boxes over, 2, 3, 4, 2 boxes up. R, 4 boxes over, 2 boxes up. S, 4 boxes over, 2 boxes up. So my F shape has moved so that the side of it is on my y-axis. Sorry, some of that went off the screen. Let me bring it down here. So my image will look like this. Okay, question 4. This diagram shows 2 squares, PQTV and QRST. Find the image of the following under the translation PQ. What's the translation PQ? They just mean this line here, going from PQ. So 4 boxes to the right and no up or down. So X under PQ just goes 4 boxes to the right. So X moves to Y. The triangle PXV, this triangle here, will move 4 boxes over. Everything moves 4 boxes over. Will move to the triangle QTS. The line segment QX, this line segment here, will move 4 boxes over to this line segment here, to the line segment RY. VX, this line segment, will move 4 boxes over to this line segment, to TY. You'll notice every time we have X in our starting one, we have Y in our image. The square PQTV, this square. Well, X moves to Y, Q moves 4 boxes over to R, T moves 4 boxes over to S. Hopefully you can see that the image is the square that's right next to it. Everything is 4 boxes over. So this moves to the square QRST. And finally the triangle QTX. This triangle here is what we're talking about. Triangle QTX moves 4 boxes over to the triangle RYS. Okay, so we really need to know our notation, our geometry notation for all of these types of questions, or they can look quite confusing. But all we were doing was moving everything 4 boxes to the right. Now, and you didn't have question 5 because that involves central symmetry, which we're learning today. Okay, I hope that was clear enough. Do let me know if you have any questions or if there's part of it you don't understand. And pause the video and go back over it. If you made mistakes, try them out again when you have time. Okay, thank you.